Trust issue she got, only sipping Ciroc. Spent more than she made, now she doesn't like what she bought. Stressing over the luxurious things, but all the diamonds in the world doesn't make up a queen. Call me 19 times tonight, don't tell me you're fine. You got a beautiful smile, what a perfect disguise.
What's up, y'all? It's your AV Queen Celestina back on the YouTube scene, and welcome back to the Queendom. Just go ahead and tell you, this look came out so pretty, y'all. So let's just go ahead and jump right into it. What's up, y'all? What's up? Welcome back. Starting off with a little moisturizer. Y'all getting the gown today, girl. I know a lot of girls can relate, because I know somebody watching me right now got this gown. Because I can see the girls on TikTok have this gown. I'm like, we live the same life. We do. So on the real tip, your girl is getting ready to go out. So I was like, you know what? I had content to film anyway, but I was like, you might as well go ahead and, you know, combine the two anyway. Don't be afraid to overdraw your brow. And what I mean by that is just like, give your brow an extra definition, you know what I'm saying? I overdraw my natural brow. Not too much, I mean just a little bit, you know what I'm saying? I still stay within the alignment of my brow, but I do overdraw a tad bit. When it comes to like doing your brows, you definitely, I mean when it comes to doing makeup regardless, you just really have to use the right brushes, use the right techniques, and then once you get that down pat, then you can like spice it up, switch it up, and like do it, you know, in your own way. Rolling down 95, yes sir. So we getting ready to conceal this brow. I like to start kind of like where the arch is in the middle, and then I take it on the outer edge, and then I go back in the front. So boom, we did the bottom. The brows can be really tricky, but once you learn your eyebrow shape and your desired look, and you keep practicing that over and over, girl, it ain't gonna be nothing to do your brows then. You about to get ready to do this eyeshadow. This is the Beach Daze palette by Kira Beauty. We're gonna use, hold on, let me show y'all. We're gonna use Palm Tree, Chillin', and the Beach Daze. So we're gonna take this green shade, we're gonna put it in the front corner of our eye, and we're not gonna take it to the middle because we're gonna use 3 shades in our crease. So we're gonna take that next shade, that next purple shade, and we're going to put it right there beside that green. And I am using circular motions to blend this in. Yes, it's already giving deep sea. So I'm just gonna put this deep blue shade, deep sea shade on the outer corner, just packing it on. Now that I've placed my eyeshadows down, I have to go back and I have to intertwine and marry the eyeshadows and make sure that everything is just blended, okay? I'm trying to get back into doing more educational videos, because you know me, I can sit up here and do a chit-chat, get rid of me anytime we're filming or saying. But you know, I'm trying to teach the masses, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm on here for a reason. I make a difference in somebody, like, you know what I'm saying? If you can take away one technique, something, you know, from me, that's what it's all about, you know? So after I done got rid of that extra eyeshadow, now we can move on, and we're just going to put our base down again. I'm doing my Crease Makeup Revolution palette. I'm gonna take the shade CBD right here. I like this. This shade is so pretty. Yeah, I like this. So we're gonna go in with our Fenty Beauty foundation. And this all in. Okay. Now I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty contour matchstick in the shade Truffled. When I blend my contour, I like to blend up. I don't blend downwards. I like to blend up. Let me know if you guys want a contour and highlight routine. I haven't done one of those on my YouTube channel, so I mean, yeah. If you guys want that, let me know in the comments below. Okay, cool. Let's go ahead and apply concealer. I'm gonna let that dry a little bit. Blend it out. And the beauty blender that I'm using is the Crown Case Beauty Blender. And you guys, if I didn't mention the product in this video, it's always down below, so you can always figure out like what products I'm using and stuff like that. Hello? Hey? Because when she want me to put her lashes on, y'all. Let me hurry up, though. I didn't put on primer. I put on moisturizer though, but god damn. bottom eyeshadow, should I do purple or green? I'm gonna do purple. Yeah. I'm using my Absolute New York Spritz to Fix, set the face. Go ahead and do this highlighter. I'm using the ColourPop Super Shock highlighter. This is the Flexitarian. And this stuff right here, who child? You do not need a lot of this. Yeah, we looking glazed, child. We about done. I'm just about to do a lip, and you know me, I just can't do one color. We gotta do a combo. All right, and I'm gonna go on top of it with this lip gloss. Yeah, you made it all the way to the end of the video. You're a real queen, you're a real OG, and I appreciate you for that. So while you're here, make sure you comment, like, subscribe, and on your way out, don't forget to embrace, showcase, and beat your face. Wow.
Trust issues she got, only sipping Ciroc. Spent more than she made, now she doesn't like what she bought. Stressing over the luxurious things, but all the diamonds in the world doesn't make up a queen. Call me 19 times tonight, don't tell me you're fine. You got a beautiful smile, but a